Taipei, humid, energetic, and full of life. This city hits you like a strong drink, but instead of whiskey, it's pure Taipei energy. You'll smell it before you see it. Car fumes mixed with the delicious smells of street food. Taipei never sleeps. It's a place where old traditions meet modern life in a blaze of neon lights. So, get ready to eat, grab some chopsticks, and let's explore the heart of Taiwan. This is Taipei, my friends, and get ready for an amazing trip. Okay, let's start with something big and impressive. Taipei 101, one of the most iconic landmarks in the world. This incredible skyscraper used to be the tallest building in the entire world, standing at a staggering 508 meters. Maybe it's the sheer size or how it majestically towers over everything like a giant made of glass and steel, reflecting the sky and city lights. Or maybe it's the engineering marvel of how this amazing building can withstand powerful typhoons and earthquakes, thanks to its advanced design. Take the super-fast elevator to the observation deck, which is one of the fastest in the world, and trust me, the view is incredible. From the top, you'll see the whole city spread out below you like a sparkling, colorful map, with every detail visible. From up here, you can see everything: the lush green mountains surrounding the city, the intricate network of busy roads, and the bright, dazzling lights of Taipei at night. Now let's leave the modern world behind and explore some ancient treasures. Hidden in the green hills outside the city is the National Palace Museum. Museums can be boring, filled with old things covered in dust, but this museum is special. It's like traveling through time, getting a peek into the heart of Taiwanese culture. You'll walk through rooms filled with jade carvings, beautiful porcelain, and ancient scrolls with beautiful writing. Believe me, after spending time learning about history, you'll be hungry for a huge meal. Chapter 3. Shilin Night Market, a symphony of the senses. When the sun goes down, it's time to experience the real Taipei, the night market. The air is buzzing with energy-sizzling walks, people selling food, and lots of laughter. Forget fancy restaurants, this is where you find the best food. We're talking about tons of delicious dumplings, oyster omelets, stinky tofu, and pan-fried pork buns. But Shilin is more than just food, it's an experience. Come hungry, come curious, and get ready to see Taipei at its most exciting. Chapter 4. Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall, a moment of reflection. The Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall isn't just about one famous person, it's a look into Taiwan's complicated past. The exhibits here tell stories of struggle, resilience, and transformation. Each artifact and display offers a glimpse into the nation's journey through time. The building itself is huge, from its tall white walls to the giant statue of Chiang Kai-shek. The architecture is grand and imposing, reflecting the significant impact Chiang Kai-shek had on Taiwan's history. Spend some time walking around, looking at the exhibits, and thinking about this man and what he left behind. The hall encourages visitors to reflect on the complexities of leadership and legacy, but for me, the best part is outside. The park surrounding the memorial is a haven of tranquility amidst the bustling city. The memorial is in the middle of a big park, a peaceful green space in the middle of the city. It's a place where locals and tourists alike come to unwind and enjoy nature. Take a deep breath, enjoy the peace, and maybe you'll start to see the beauty of this place. It's a perfect spot to pause, reflect, and appreciate the blend of history and serenity that defines the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Chapter 5. Elephant Mountain. The climb is worth the view. We're talking about Elephant Mountain, a place with amazing views. This mountain is not just a hike, it's an experience that combines nature, exercise, and breathtaking scenery. It's a short but steep hike up well-maintained trails. The path is clearly marked, making it accessible for both seasoned hikers and beginners. Think of it as a way to burn off those dumplings and get hungry for one last Taipei meal. The climb is a perfect blend of challenge and reward. As you climb, you'll leave the city noise behind. The higher you go, the more serene it becomes, with only the sounds of nature accompanying you. The whole city spreads out below you, a beautiful view of shiny skyscrapers, old temples, and the Keelung River. It's a panorama that captures the essence of Taipei. It's a view you won't forget, a reminder of the beauty you can find in unexpected places. Whether it's sunrise or sunset, the sight is always magical, leaving a lasting impression. Outrow until next time, Taipei! So there you have it, folks. A quick tour of Taipei, from its exciting heights to its hidden streets. We've tasted the food, felt the energy, and hopefully learned a little about this amazing city and its vibrant culture. But this is just the beginning of your journey. Taipei is a city you discover bit by bit, like the layers of a delicious steamed bun, each bite revealing more. So what are you waiting for? Book your trip, pack your bags, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure.